This is Pirate Stomp Bar 11. Here's right hand, 3 on F. This is middle C, and we've got 5 in the left hand on low F. I'm going to play very slowly and then explain the tricky bit. Do not move your left, but your right hand hops 2 to D. Now you've got 4 in the left, 2 in the right. C on its own. 5 to 3. Then we go back to the first bit. Then your 5 turns into a 2. Right hand goes down 1 to 4 on F. 3 and 1 in the left. 2 and 4. 1 D's together. Okay, I'm going to play that without talking.